8. That's me. So you can see I have my hair down. It's straightened. I just straightened it. Which took me like 2 hours. Oh, it takes forever. Anyways, today, or tonight, it's so lovely. I don't know how well the light quality is. But, I don't know if you can hear that, but, it is, whoa, extremely windy, but it's also extremely wet. And there's thunder and lightning going on. Yeah. I can't. Oh, almost fell. Yeah, it's very beautiful night. There it is. I almost feel like I can't hold on. I'm getting wet. Horrible. It feels really nice outside. I'm tempted to open the windows. Darkness is so special. Anyways, I have my flashlight on hand because the power likes to go out during these times. And yeah. Anyways, I'll get into what I wanted to talk about today. Yeah. So, you know, I was watching some commercials today because I was watching one of the TV series I watch online. And have you ever noticed how many shows like have the spin around smile and like intro thing? Like all the soaps, it's all, you know, it's all and then it zooms in and it has the piano music. And it makes me laugh because it's like I watch all these commercials for the final 4 episodes or the season finale, and it shows that it shows every main character. Or it has where it goes through the list of characters and they're all, you know, it's like, I don't know, I guess all the smiles are kind of corny to me because it's all Sarah, Jake, and then God, I don't know, I guess it's just kind of funny to me. But yeah, oh, my feet hurt from straightening my hair. I hate standing there straightening my hair because most of the time I'll do half of it and I'll be like, I'll get halfway done and that's pretty much it. I think the last 1 or 2 times I did that and I'm just like, oh, forget this shit, you know. But this time I did it. Yeah, I mess with it a lot. My hair's naturally curly, so I don't really get to run my fingers through it. What the stupid moist humidity. Yeah, stupid humidity starts making my hair go back to being curly. Anyways, yeah, so this is my great vlog video. I didn't do anything too exciting, but I figured I'd vlog about the outside and how it is stormy. It's like It's like so awesome. Yeah. Anyways, I gotta think about what to make my next greatness video about. Bye.